Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel once again. In this video I am going to discuss the rest of the options of the insert tab. In the previous video I have discussed some of items like how to insert pictures, screenshots, how to insert shapes and icons, and how to work with the table and charts. So if you have missed out that video, please check the link in the description or in the I button. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So we will see one by one. First of all, text box. You can select this text box and drag it over there, and you can write anything in the text box. Like I am writing video. You can also insert videos and audios from there. You can click on videos. I am inserting a video from my device. So this is a simple video. You can see the ratio of the video is 16:9, so it has covered my whole slide area. You can resize it also, and you can keep it anywhere if you can want. Then click on slideshow. The video will be played if you click on the slide or anywhere. You can see the video is playing. If you want to play this video with the slideshow, you can do that. There are two types of tools for video. One is format and one is playback. Same with the audio, I will show you. You can change the color of this video. You can do the color correction, or you can do the color correction from here also. Then you can insert a poster frame. Poster frame is what? Poster frame is like a thumbnail of a video. I will show you how to insert that. Then you can give video effects like preset 3D effects type. I am hovering it. You can see the output here. You can insert reflection, glow, any kinds of format. You can select from there also. There are 3D rotation. We have to play around all these things. Then you can also insert video border. Like if you want to give video border, you can choose any type of this. Then video shape, you can change the video into a shape. Suppose this or this. You can change any of them. So I'm undoing it. You can undo by Ctrl Z, or you can undo from here also, quick access toolbar. So this is, you can, if you want to play this video with the slideshow, go to the playback, then click here start, give the drop down menu and select automatically. It will do that. If you want to show the slideshow, then the video will play automatically. I will show you. You can see. So this is how you can insert video. Same with the picture, same with the audio. I am inserting an audio. The video has no sound. Like I am inserting an audio. You can record audio also. Everything is up to you. I am inserting this audio. You can see this is an audio file. The audio will also same kind of thing. If you want to play with the slideshow, we have to change that format. Select the audio and go to the playback option and click here automatically. This will make the difference. You can change the duration. You can change the duration. You can trim the video, audio. You can select the video. You can trim it also. You can trim the video. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. So this is how you can clean the video. You can see here this is the starting point and ending point. You can manually type this starting time and ending time. You can then press OK to crop it. Then the video will crop. Same with the audio. You can trim the audio also. You can give fade in and fade out also audio. Suppose I am giving fade in, fade out. Then same with the video, I am inserting a thumbnail like I have said. This is a poster frame. Click on poster frame, image from file. I am taking a picture from my files. Like this is, suppose this is a picture that will cover the whole video, but it will not play whenever you click on slideshow. You can see this is working like a thumbnail. So the audio will be played automatically and video will be played automatically. You can go to format and change this start with automatically. We can increase the volume, medium, low, high. You can mute this also. We can loop this video. You can play this audio as a background. You can hide during the slideshow. There are so many options. We have to work with it. Then alright, that's all for audios and videos. Then go to another. There are also some options like header and footer, so I am removing all this too. You can see there are some different or pre-formatted collections of words. You can choose any of them and work in your PowerPoint slide. You can use these formats. This is a title. You can choose these formats to as a header in your slides. So everything is up to you. You can use it. Then header and footer. If you click on header and footer, this dialog box will pop up. So you can see there are date and time, slide number and footer. Let's do one by one. This is the action menu and this is the preview. If you click on date and time, you can see the preview. They are showing me the preview. The date and time will add on the bottom left corner. You can change the date and time format also from here, like how you want to show date and time. These are the formats. You can use it. Like I am choosing this, and there are two options: automatic, update automatically, and fixed. If you click on update automatically, the date and time will be updated automatically, no matter. So when you click and open this presentation or edit this, the date and time will change according to the time. And if you want to keep it fixed, you can click here and give a fixed date and time. Everything is up to you. Then I'm taking automatically. Then slide number, you can insert slide number. This is the preview. The slide number will show here, bottom right corner. Then footer, if you want to insert some footer like caption type, you can give it from here. Suppose I am giving learners what. If you want to if you don't want to show it on title slide, then you can uncheck this, or you can check this if you want. Then apply to wall. You can see I'm changing the background. Go to the design, format background, and change the color from here. I'm taking this color to make you understand. You can see the date and time, our caption, and this is the slide page. If you increase the slide, like I'm pressing Ctrl M to open new slide, you can see the date and time. Or I am duplicating the slide, Ctrl D. You can see this is the slide number 2. Learners out. This is the date and time. So that's all. Then there are some other options, like you can also insert date and time from here also. date and time. I am hovering this, you can see insert slide number, the same dialog box will pop up. You can see the same dialog box will pop up. Then object, you can insert objects like different types of files, Excel file, video file, or notepad. You can access any of this by inserting objects. Like I am in, you can create new, or you can create an existing file and change it. Suppose I'm browsing, I have already created a file like this doc file, Microsoft Word file. I'm inserting it. You can link it into your slide, or you can display as an icon. I'm unchecking all this, press OK. You can see the Word document file. This is the Word document file. If you double click on it, then it will directly take you to the Word document file. It's taking some time, you can see. Then you can change the view of the Word document from here. You can format, do some formattings here also, and keep it safe. Control S to save. Then you can close it. If you open it again, you can see the change. You can do any kind of things. You can insert some Excel files, you can insert any kind of files in it. So then you can also keep it as an icon in your presentation, like click on there also again. Then browse an existing file, select this file and display as an icon. You can change the icon also. There are some funny icons, and press on OK. You can see this is the icon, this is the thing. You can change the name also. I didn't change the name. So that's all for today's video. If you have learned something new, please show your love on the like button and make this video reach 1 like. Keep your family safe in the pandemic situation, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.